Place bread upon your feet and observe as your difficulties fade away. Today, I'll share an unusual yet effective solution for foot health. Although it may appear unconventional initially, this home remedy has truly impressed all those to whom I have presented it. And today, I've decided to share it with all of you. How often have your feet ached after a long day at work? Especially with those huge, relentless calluses. I know how annoying it is because I've dealt with it for years. Trying creams and methods didn't help. Nothing eased the pain for long. In a bowl, cut the bread into small pieces. Add 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It must be apple cider. Apple cider vinegar has antifungal and antibacterial properties that prevent foot infections, especially in areas with corns or where skin is vulnerable to microbes. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps soften the hard, thickened skin of corns, making them easier to remove. Regular use can soften the skin, making corns less painful and easier to treat. It must look exactly like this, resembling a dough, to make application easier. Once prepared, simply apply the dough mixture to the corn. Bread, particularly when dampened with vinegar, assists in softening the hardened skin associated with corns. This method is effective because bread retains moisture on the skin, forming a humid atmosphere that aids in softening the hardened outer layer. Applying a bandage or plastic wrap produces a sauna-like environment, which prolongs the effectiveness of the treatment for several hours. This enables the skin to consistently absorb moisture, thereby enhancing the softening of calluses throughout the treatment process. I always did this process before bed. The next morning, upon removing the wrap, I could feel a noticeable difference. My feet have become significantly softer, and I have experienced a considerable reduction in walking-related discomfort. I repeated this for another week, feeling more relieved each time. I was thrilled that such a simple solution solved a problem I'd had for years. Using a foot file will gently file the callus. No need to apply much force to avoid discomfort. Upon completion, please apply a small amount of olive oil to the cotton. Olive oil is abundant in antioxidants such as oleocanthal, which gives it inherent anti-inflammatory qualities. This may diminish inflammation and discomfort associated with corn, thereby alleviating pain while walking. This approach is ideal for individuals who prefer to refrain from the use of chemicals or invasive procedures. Employing bread serves as an entirely natural alternative. This is suitable for individuals with delicate skin or exploring environmentally conscious and sustainable alternatives.